careful what you wish for, cause you just might get it. Once upon a time, the kid dreamed to be a queen, to wear a crown, and to lead the world. On March 11, 2023, that dream turned into reality. She wears a crown, and she leads her community. One must come to an end to begin anew. As I look back, I can say, what a journey it has been. I thank God for enlightening my path and for fueling the fire to serve and lead the community. This journey is not my journey alone. It's a journey also of those people who dreamed with me, who prayed with me, and who believed in me. Hindi sapat ang salitang salamat, Ate Michelle, sa tiwala at pagmamahal sa akin, sa paggabay, sa pagtanggap, at pagtulong sa akin bilang isang pamilya. Maaaring ito ang huling araw na suot ko ang corona, pero hindi ito ang huli para sa pagkakaibigan nating dalawa. Thank you, Miss International Queen Philippines Organization, Derek Rod, and Sir Tay. Salamat sa the best club team ever, Jonas, Michelle, Gerald, Ivan, all of my designers, photographers, sponsors, and endorsements. Thank you, my family and Clyde, for supporting me in all aspects. You all are the source of my strength. My besties, Michelle, Zora, Aiko, Rebong, Paoraki, Tony, and my Queen sisters, Adrienne, Patricia, Solange, Van B, you guys are all priceless. To my mom, Vice Ganda, thank you for being the source of inspiration to continue my MIQPH journey. To Madam Alyssa, thank you for creating a platform for our dreams and for our mission to fight for world equality. As I do my final walk as MIQPH, I hope the kid Lars is proud of me. She dreamed of this, and I promised her we can and we will. And I hope I made her proud. This may be the last for my journey, but this is not the last for the cause, for the advocacy, and for the leadership I owe to the crown. As I pass it to the new queen, I hope she uses it not just a design on her head, but use it as a symbol of commitment, loyalty, and hard work. To my new queen, I'm excited to meet you moments from now, and I bless you a meaningful reign and a crown in Thailand. For the Lars style, this is Lars Pacheco, the Miss International Queen Philippines 2023, signing off. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat.